Things are about to get good.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing the Authority from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 295 pounds, the Future, Eddie Flynn!
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one. A man who always gets a strong reaction from the WWE Universe, and it will only intensify once the bell rings.
Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from the edge of reality, weighing in at 400 pounds, the Prince, Ray!
I'm going to come right out and say it. Yes, this athlete takes great appreciation in their own in-ring performances, but it doesn't make them a bad person.
Who says it does? But on that topic, they're not my cup of tea. Actually, a little more like a cup of raw sewage, if we're being perfectly honest. Look at the focus and drive in his eyes, ready to prove he's the best this division has to offer.
We've got one of the most outspoken superstars on the roster in the ring right now.
Yeah, Cole, he's made it very clear what his intentions are and that no one is going to stop him.
They might be intentions, but only time will tell if he's a man of his word.
Yeah, but he's taking on a superstar with a mean streak a mile wide. I know I wouldn't want to be in the ring with this guy.
Oh, man!
Springboard moonsault. Boom, boom, persistent barrage. Just going all out with every blow.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out. Catching a drop kick.
Moves outside. What's the plan here? Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
Taking a moment to let the crowd know how much he appreciates them.
He's lost some of his wind now. Discus clothesline.
This one's all but over.
And quick getting the arm up.
He is definitely struggling to keep him down at this point.
Rapid fire Samoan drop.
And now the pressure's mounting on him.
He's gaining the upper hand here.
Forearm after forearm vicious attack.
You can see that each strike drained their opponent's energy.
Turning the tables.
He isn't allowing that burst of attacks to finish him.
Oh, using your head to counter that.
Great wherewithal on the counter. What a boot.
He has been here before, and he knows.
Perfect time to attack when his guard is down. Fez press, raining down right hands.
Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes. With the counter.
Ooh. Going down low, striking the front and back of the leg.
And then a stop to the back. This match grinded him down a little. Getting him into the corner.
Shutting that down with the back elbow.
Overhead kick on the mark.
Waist lift.
Yeah, raw power there.
Wow, what a spine buster.
Cover. Gets the shoulder up. Wow, what's it going to take?
Not getting a 2 count at this point has to be frustrating.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Clothesline to the back of the neck.
He's turning the tables.
Oh, man, what a double knee strike.
Right to the sternum.
He thinks he has it. And he powers out.
He really thought that was it.
Oh, with authority.
And a carefully measured knee drop.
Here we go.
Beautiful.
Swinging
neck breaker.
Off into the pin.
Channeling his energy to stay in this matchup. Ooh, sharp kick.
To the face. What a redirect.
Oh, look at this agility. Springboard moonsault.
Fez press, raining down right hands. You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
Placed in the corner. Superman punch. Oh, look out.
And the spear.
What is this? This is incredible.
Saxton, is this one of your buddies?
Not sure I recognize it, but he seems like a nice guy.
Where is security?
He's just taking pictures, guys. Relax.
Oh!
Bang! Here it comes.
Uh-oh. Fends off the attack with an elbow.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone. Ooh.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
Shot to the chest.
Great counter, impressive ring ice. These two trading one blow after another. Big shots being fired right now. Neither competitor letting up. The fight is on, and it's furious. The willpower, the sheer guts of these two.
No backing down here. They really want to make sure the best man comes out on top in this one.
And they just busted out an impactful maneuver. He turns it around.
Both absolutely drained, but both refusing to give up.
Great counter. And now these two just pummeling the hell out of each other.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, one thunderous final blow.
Reversal. Can he take advantage? Neither superstar giving an inch here.
Ooh. It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here.
And a well-timed maneuver rocks him.
Not the place for him to be right now. He has to turn this around.
You can feel the contact, and so does the WWE Universe. Reversal! What a counter!
Sequence of reversals there. Oh.
WWE Universe appreciating these athletes going all out. Boom! Two fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot.
Oh, looks like we got ourselves a hockey fight.
Oh, ouch!
Boom! Boom! And just like that, the scales are imbalanced.
There's press and the piston-like right hands.
Ouch.
There's press, hammering away.
He wants even more out of his opponent. Setting up for it. Persian spear.
Put a bow on it. This one's wrapped up.
2. And the victory.
Here is your winner, the Prince, Ray!
Quite a bit of cause for celebration after a match like that.
With a win like that, he just stood up and commanded the attention of everyone in the WWE Universe.